Can you imagine a world where machines think for themselves? Welcome to the realm of artificial intelligence, or AI as we often call it. It's a powerful technology that's gradually weaving its way into the fabric of our lives. From the way we communicate, to the way we travel, work, or even play, AI is making its mark. Picture this: you wake up in the morning to the sound of your AI personal assistant gently rousing you from sleep. Your autonomous car drives you to work while you catch up on the news, and once at work, AI tools help streamline your tasks, making your day more efficient. Fascinating, isn't it? But there's a flip side to this coin. As AI continues to evolve and become more sophisticated, we're left with a pressing question. The influence of AI is undeniable, but what happens when these machines become too intelligent? The power of AI is not without its dangers. As we delve deeper into the realm of artificial intelligence, we must also grapple with the potential risks associated with the use of AI in machines. From your everyday devices to industrial robots, autonomous vehicles, drones, and even weapons, the integration of AI is pervasive and its implications profound. One of the most chilling prospects is the loss of control. Picture this: AI becoming so sophisticated that it slips from our grasp. The consequences could range from accidents to catastrophic events, and in the worst-case scenario, even lead to the self-destruction of humankind. It's a grim picture indeed, and one that underscores the necessity of rigorous oversight and stringent safety measures. Next, we have to consider the risk of bias in AI results. AI is only as unbiased as the data it is trained on. If the data is skewed, the AI could perpetuate and even amplify existing prejudices, leading to discrimination or harm to vulnerable groups. This could manifest in various ways, from biased hiring practices to unequal law enforcement. The potential for harm is real and needs our thorough scrutiny. Lastly, we cannot ignore the potential misuse of AI for malicious purposes. The same technology that can help us can also be weaponized against us. Imagine autonomous weapons that can select and engage targets without human intervention. Or consider mass surveillance systems that exploit AI to invade our privacy on an unprecedented scale. The misuse of AI is not just a potential risk, it's a ticking time bomb that needs to be diffused. In essence, the potential risks of AI and machines are not just hypotheticals to be tossed around in academic circles. They are real pressing concerns that demand our attention, our awareness, and our action. We must navigate this brave new world with caution, ensuring that the power of AI is harnessed for the betterment of humanity and not its downfall. The potential risks of AI and machines are serious and demand our attention. Despite these risks, we are not helpless. There are solutions to the potential perils of AI and machines. The first line of defense is conscious and responsible development. As we advance in our technological prowess, we must not leave behind our moral compass. The AI we create should be designed with ethical considerations in mind, ensuring they are programmed to prioritize human safety and welfare. But the responsibility doesn't stop at the developers' desks. The organizations that fund, support, and utilize these AI technologies must also adopt and enforce ethical guidelines. This could involve setting up review boards to ensure that AI applications align with ethical standards, or establishing transparency in AI decision-making processes to prevent unfair bias or discrimination. Next, we must invest in robust fail-safe mechanisms. No matter how advanced or sophisticated an AI system is, there should always be a human in the loop, ready to intervene if things go awry. This not only minimizes the risk of losing control over the AI, but also ensures that the ultimate decisions remain in human hands. We also need to consider legislation. Governments around the globe must work together to create international laws and regulations that prevent the misuse of AI. Whether it's autonomous weapons or mass surveillance, there must be clear boundaries on what is and isn't acceptable use of AI. Education plays a crucial role too. We must make sure that everyone, from the general public to decision makers, understands the risks and benefits of AI. This would enable informed debates about the future of AI and its role in our society. Lastly, we must foster a culture of accountability. If an AI system causes harm, there should be a clear chain of responsibility. This could deter potential misuse and ensure that victims have a route to seek redress. The key is in our hands. It is up to us to ensure that AI serves humanity, and not the other way around. The power of AI is in our hands, but we need your help. Artificial intelligence is a force unlike any other. Its potential to revolutionize our lives is unparalleled, yet the risks it poses are equally immense. From loss of control to bias to misuse, The threats are real and they are serious, but fear not, for we are not defenseless. We have the power to shape the trajectory of AI, to wield it responsibly and ethically, and to ensure its benefits are harnessed for the greater good of humanity. To do this, we must first educate ourselves. Knowledge is our greatest weapon against the potential dangers of AI. Dive deep into the world of artificial intelligence. Understand its workings, its strengths, its weaknesses. Learn about the potential risks, and how they might impact you, your community, and the world at large. Because only when we fully comprehend the power of AI can we begin to control it. But education is just the start. It's time to participate in the conversation. Engage in public debates about the future of AI. Share your thoughts, your concerns, your hopes, listen to others, and let their perspectives broaden your understanding. Because the future of AI is not just about technology, it's about people. It's about us, our values, our society. And we all have a voice in shaping it. Finally, we must hold our governments and companies accountable. Demand that they develop and use AI responsibly. That they prioritize ethics over profits. That they invest in safeguards to prevent misuse and bias. That they commit to transparency, so we can trust that the AI systems we interact with every day are acting in our best interests. The future of AI is a shared responsibility. We all have a role to play in shaping it. Because the power of AI is not just in the hands of the few, it's in the hands of the many. It's in our hands, and together we can ensure that AI serves as a force for good, transforming our world for the better. The future is ours to shape. Let's make it count.